Hi guys, my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm going to be creating this Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial using the products that were inside my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Winter Wonderglam. If you've never heard of Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, I highly recommend you check out this video in the iCard. It is a really amazing subscription service and I've been a little bit behind on these videos, but this is the last Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box makeup tutorial for 2018, and yes, I said 2018. But again, I'm really excited with how this look turned out, and I love Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. I'm really excited to get into the 2019 boxes finally, but I had to finish off these tutorials, and this might be one of my favorites because of how great it turned out. If you'd like to see how I created this Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial, just keep on watching this video. Before I get this Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial started, I just want to say actually how difficult it is to film makeup tutorials right now because my acne has never been this bad. This may not seem that bad, but for me it's like the worst it's ever been. Especially this thing right here. As you can see, it's just really not great right now. I'm trying some different things right now, so I know it's gonna take some time to work. It's gonna take several uses to have it go completely away. This is really hard to film right now. I'll be honest, like I just can't wait to get my foundation on because I don't like looking at this right now. I know it doesn't mean anything and it's just a part of life. It's just crazy to me, like I don't know what's going on. It's just never been this bad. I don't know what else to say, but I just wanted to be real and to be honest with you guys, and I'm not always super uber confident. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. Of course, I will let you guys know when I use a product that was in my Sweet Sparkle Winter Wonderglam box. Before I start this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using the NYX primer spray. The NYX First Base primer spray. Also, if you guys could let me know of a more natural foundation, let me know in the comments below. This might be my major culprit. To be honest, I think this might be breaking me out, and I really don't want to let it go because, as you guys know, I featured this in a current favorites video. Over the past few months, my acne has just gotten so bad, and this is the only thing different. Although, I did go, like a while ago, I went quite a while without wearing makeup just to see, like several days, and it was still just as bad. So I'm not sure if this is the culprit or not. Parts of me thinks it is and parts of me thinks it isn't. I don't know, because I've gone long stretches without using it and it's still this bad. But I don't like powder foundation, so let me know of a more natural liquid foundation down below. I'm thinking because my skin is so sensitive, I may have to use a super natural foundation instead of like popular ones like this, because I have the world's most sensitive skin, I swear. So anyways, until then, it's still my favorite. I love the coverage and it's so great. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream SPF 50. This stuff is full coverage. That's what I need, especially right now because my acne is at an all-time bad. I will say this product doesn't last very long. Like, it looks like I've been using it for a long time, but I've only been using it for about 2 months, and it's already like almost gone. And I don't even wear makeup every day. So if I'm going to try something, now is the time because I'm almost out. Once the CC cream is on, you wouldn't even know how bad my acne really is because it covers up so well. So that's why I do love it, and I'm sad to try and let it go once I find a more natural alternative. I could go on for days, but let's go on to the next product. For setting powder, I'm going to use the Elizabeth Mott Set for Life Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. one more product after this one, and then we'll finally be getting into the products that were in my Sweet Sparkle Winter Wonderglam box. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I use the shade Soft Brown. For bronzer, I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and you guys have never seen me use this in a tutorial, but I've used those other two bronzers so much, I'm trying to switch it up a little bit. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. The next product, I'm finally going to use a product that was in my Sweet Sparkle Winter Wonderglam box, and this is the Hikari Shimmer Bronzer in the shade Fantasy, and you're probably a little bit confused because I just used a normal bronzer, and I'm actually going to use this as highlight instead of bronzer. I think the goal was to use it all over the face, well, not all over the face, but where you normally apply bronzer, but I thought that would be a bit much, so I'm just going to use it as highlight. I don't think that product really did much for me, but oh well. That's why I like doing these videos though, because sometimes I think a product is going to be really good and it's actually not, or vice versa, so I really enjoy testing them out for you guys. Now it's time to prime my eyes for eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. The next product I'm going to use in this Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial is another product that was featured in my Sweet Sparkle beauty box, and this is by the brand Kokie Professional, and this is the Duo Metallic Shadow in the shade Gone Platinum, and this is really cool. I've never used a product like this, but as you can see, there are two layers to this product. So the top is the product that I'm going to use first, and this is kind of like an additional primer, but it's shimmery. So first I'm going to apply that first with my finger. Now I'm going to unlock the bottom part here and use the shimmer. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the shimmer and put this in my inner corner. I'm probably going to have to come back to this product and do touch up, but now we're going to move on to the next product. Next, I'm going to use this Be a Bombshell eye paint in the shade Bad Attitude and put this on my lid. Like this eye look, the simplicity of it is really great, but yet it looks super glam, and I'm really surprised by the performance of both of these products, and I'm surprised at how easily this was to work with, the eye paint, and how easy it was to build it up. I wanted to start small because sometimes with eye paints like this a little bit goes a long way, but I actually had to use a pretty decent amount of product, and this totally is like a Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial now. I've never used a duo metallic shadow before, and I wasn't sure what I was going to think about a product like this, but I really enjoyed it, and I might have to pick up another one. Next in this tutorial, I'm going to apply my lash primer, and this is the Benefit Cosmetics Their Real Tinted Primer. The next product that I'm going to use in this Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial is another one that was featured in my Sweet Sparkle box, and this is the Kawkawlin Cosmetics 7-in-1 Dual Fiber 4D Mascara. Now because it's dual-ended, there's one for the upper lashes and lower lashes. However, I hardly have any lower lashes. I have so few lower lashes that I can't put lower lash mascara on, so I'm just going to use the wider one. So I've never used a 4D mascara, so we'll see how it works. To be honest, this is probably one of the worst mascaras I've ever tried. I have very stubby lashes and fragile lashes, and I hardly did anything for them whatsoever. My lashes look almost the same as before I put them on. This eye, it did absolutely nothing at all. This one, it kind of lengthened my lashes a little bit, but this is probably the worst mascara I've ever tried, and I wouldn't recommend it. But again, that's just my opinion. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Peacock Flare mascara to try to make my lashes look a little bit better, but I don't know how it will look over that mascara, so we'll see. That's pretty sad that the $7 mascara that CoverGirl sent me a while ago works better than this $26 mascara. Just saying. The next product that I'm going to use is a lip liner, and this was also in my Sweet Sparkle box, and this is by the brand Clean Color, and this is a retractable lip liner in the shade Hot Red. In my opinion, lip liners aren't usually smooth, but when I swatched this in the unboxing, it was really smooth, so I'm excited to try this. This is probably the best I've ever done at lip liner. I know that sounds so weird, like most people probably don't think it's that hard, but the pencil liners are absolutely horrible to work with. This one is just so smooth and effortless. I love it. This is the best I've ever done at lining my lips. Highly recommend the lip liners by Clean Color if you're not very good at working with lip liners like myself, because that was effortless. This is probably the product that I'm most excited to use, and this is also my Sweet Sparkle box for Winter Wonderglam, and this is by the brand Clay Cosmetics. I think Clay, I don't know. This is a melting lip powder, and you guys, you need to go check out the unboxing, because when I swatched it, it was so cool. It looked like it was going to come out liquidy, but then it turned into this powder. I've never tried a melting lip powder before, so I'm so excited to see how this performs on the lips. I cannot wait. It doesn't look splotchy, and it just like patchy, and it just looks really good. As you guys, if you guys know me, you know that I don't wear red lip hardly ever, but I might have to check out to see if this brand has any more wearable colors, because this is so cool. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Here is the completed Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial using the products that were inside my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Winter Wonderglam. That is it for this Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Now that we have this finished product, it's one of my favorite tutorials of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes, of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box themes for 2018. It was a great way to end it, and I'm really happy with this end result. I will have all the products that I used linked down below in case you're interested in recreating this look with me. It feels so weird to be filming a Winter Wonderglam makeup tutorial when it's almost 90 degrees right now. But hey, that's what I get for being behind. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, I'm so happy with the result, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Be sure to check out Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box in the description below. Bye guys!